If you're looking for some out-of-the-box gadget to make your life a little easier in 2024, stay with us. In this video, we have put together a list of the best house gadgets that you can buy in 2024. From budget-friendly magic caulk taps to the floor cleaning spray, this video will give you clear guidance on choosing the best smart tower fans specifically for your needs. Before we move further into the video, make sure to check the video description to get the best prices for the products linked in the video. Now let's get started. Number 1. Magic Caulk Tape. What if you could mend nearly everything in the house with tape, even damaged tiles and leaking pipes? Sounds magical, doesn't it? That's precisely what Magic Caulk Tape accomplishes. It's a unique type of tape composed of pliable, water-resistant material, like traditional caulk, but without the mess and effort. It is made to adhere to practically any surface and form a tight seal. Let's say you are in the bathroom and you see that the bathtub seal is beginning to come off. You can see that water is seeping in and that a large wet mess will soon arise. But do not worry, you just need to tear off a piece of Magic Caulk Tape, adhere it to the tub's edge, and presto! Immediate watertight closure. There's no need to deal with sticky residue or wait for traditional caulk to dry. It resembles a miracle rapid remedy. But there is still more. Suppose you knock against the kitchen counter by accident and break a tile. That's not a pretty sight. But you can quickly repair that tile with Magic Caulk Tape. To restore the appearance of your kitchen, simply cut a piece of tape to the appropriate size. Press it against the broken tile and see how it fits in perfectly. Furthermore, it's not limited to emergencies. For a variety of do-it-yourself home chores, Magic Caulk Tape is ideal. It is necessary to caulk gaps around doors or windows to keep cold air out. Not a problem. Simply take out some tape and start working. Would you like to add some ornamental trim around the mirror to freshen up your bathroom? Simple as pie. Once more, Magic Caulk Tape comes to the rescue. The best aspect is that using Magic Caulk Tape doesn't require any specialized knowledge or equipment. You can proceed if you know how to use a pair of scissors and remove a backing. It's so easy to use that you'll question how you managed to live without it. Number 2. Powerful Sink and Drain. Grease, oils, food residue, and even soap scum are all easily removed by this enchanted concoction, leaving your drains looking brand new. It's very simple to use. Simply insert 1 or 2 bottles into the main pipe, fill it with hot water, and let the foamy power work its magic for half an hour. If there is a blockage, it disappears quickly. Additionally, this substance keeps your pipes clear even if they already are. I'm just going to have to wait. Wonderful things come to those who wait. Still, that's not all. Uses for this amazing cleaner extend beyond drains. It's also fantastic for cleaning out odors and stubborn stains from your toilet tank. Additionally, it gives you the smoothest flushes ever. It can be used anywhere in the house, including bathroom and kitchen sink drains. Don't worry about the little things. Each bottle is extremely safe for your pipes and lightweight. I promise you that having Wild Tornado around will transform every home. Why then wait? Get yours right away to permanently bid clogged drains farewell. Number 3. Yimobra Doormat. This mat, in contrast to others, has an excellent artificial glass surface that attracts dirt like a magnet. It keeps your house spotless by trapping all the filthy things like mud, dust, and sand. And look at those durable rubber corners. They prevent water from splattering onto your floors by encircling your mat just like a moat. Say goodbye to drenched socks. However, security comes first, right? This mat's back is composed of extremely sticky rubber as a result. You won't slip and fall when you come inside after it has rained, since it adheres to the floor like glue. Furthermore, because it's streamlined and thin, it won't obstruct your door's ability to swing open. Ideal for crowded doors. Doing some cleaning? Simple as pie. Just give it a quick vacuum or shake or hose it down for a deeper clean. It will be as good as new if you hang it up to dry. This mat is also a true all-rounder. Place it anywhere, in your patio, hallway, or entryway. It's also a fantastic housewarming present for friends who recently moved in. Why then wait? Invest in a Yimobra welcome mat now and welcome a safer and cleaner home. Number 4. Furniture Moving Tool. Thanks to the furniture lift, you can finally say goodbye to straining to move heavy furniture. This innovative device is designed to make relocating your belongings easy. Made from premium materials, it is incredibly durable and won't mar your floors. Its design prioritizes your comfort, so you won't have to worry about strained back muscles. It's quite simple to use. Even the heaviest furniture can be lifted and slid with just one hand. And what do you know? There are no tools needed for installation. Complete with 4 sliders, 9 padded accessories, and 1 pusher, this package has everything you need. To elevate your furniture up to 2 inches, simply slide the lifter underneath it and place the anti-tip pads under each corner. The finest aspect is that it is compatible with a wide variety of furnishings and appliances, you name it, fridges, closets, and sofas. So the furniture lift has you covered whether you're moving furniture around the living room or doing a thorough cleaning behind the refrigerator. Number 5. Removable Adhesive Nano Gel Tape. This double-sided adhesive tape is incredibly strong and can easily hold goods weighing up to 1 kg thanks to its cutting-edge technology. But there's still more. This tape is an amazing multi-purpose tool. You can use it to organize your automobile, office, or kitchen without making any holes in it. Bid farewell to mess and hello to more room. Its use is really simple. Simply cut to the required size, adhere to the wall, and remove the protective film. There are no concerns because it is safe and open. Plus, it's reusable and machine washable. It keeps its hold even after being washed. Just remember that before reapplying, let it dry completely. While this tape is amazing on many surfaces, it's not the best choice for lime walls. If you try to remove it from there, it might cause damage because it sticks well. Stick to smoother surfaces for the best results. Number 6. Foldable wall-mounted cloth drying rack. When not in use, its elegant design allows it to fold neatly up against the wall, taking it up just 1 inch of space, ideal for those constricted spaces. But this rack saves more than simple room. It also saves energy and money. You can lessen your carbon footprint and get that crisp outside aroma by hanging your clothes outside in the warm sunlight. Air dry and go green. Furthermore, don't be fooled by its thin profile. This rack is made to last. It can easily hold up to 60 pounds of laundry because it is made of high-quality aluminum. It also has a fashionable appearance that gives your house a hint of sophistication. This rack offers ample space to accommodate all of your laundry necessities, including sweaters, socks, and towels. And don't worry if you have any problems at all. With a 3-year guarantee and excellent customer support, we've got you covered. Your clothing will thank you for embracing the retractable wall mount drying rack's elegance and convenience. Number 7. Mini Electric Smart Radiator. The Dreo radiator heater is here, so get ready for complete warmth. This beast provides quiet, quick heating that fills the whole house with comfortable warmth. With Dreo, safety comes first. Warmth without concern is ensured by triple overheat protection, fire-resistant materials, and tilt protection. ETL is listed and features a burn-proof plug. You can rest easy knowing your area is safe. Easily personalize your comfort by using the Eco mode. You may set Dreo sophisticated sensors to maintain consistent warmth without any unwanted temperature swings. Dreo provides coverage whether you're in the living room, office, or bedroom. With configurable power modes, you can save money and energy. Select between 600 watt, 900 watt, or 1500 watt. The Eco mode uses less energy and money by optimizing the usage of resources in real time. Navigate effortlessly with the LED display, touchscreen, or remote control. Dreo moves smoothly from room to room with large wheels and handles. Child lock, mute, and screen off modes make it perfect for home use. And with a handy 24-hour timer, Dreo welcomes you home to preheated comfort. Number 8. Weiman Hardwood Cleaner. Prepare your floors for immaculate results with Weiman Hardwood Floor Cleaner. It is designed especially to remove dirt from finished hardwood floors without leaving any dullness or streaks behind. For any finished hardwood surface, this cleaner is your best bet because it restores the gloss without leaving any sticky residue behind. Furthermore, as it dries, your tiny ones and furry pets can safely use it because it is comprised entirely of plant-based materials. Use it in conjunction with Weiman high-traffic hardwood floor polish for enduring effects and a stunning gloss. A winning combination. This cleaner works well on laminate, vinyl, and engineered as well as finished hardwood floors. Cleaning is a breeze when you use it with refillable squirt mops. With Weiman, say welcome to shimmering floors. So which of these gadgets seems like a perfect fit for you? Do let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and share the video. For more such content, subscribe to our channel right away.